Good morning. Now, good morning from here. Oh, good morning to everyone from here. I greet everybody from Switzerland. Yes, so now good morning. How na day? Now do? Now good morning. Now good morning. I greet everybody. Now do where as na today. Watch as they share my video. God will bless all of you. Now do it for my body. God will bless all of my people. My name is Chef Love. It's not Solo Africa TV. My people, I thank everybody. I say make I just thank all of you because una do well. God will bless you abundantly. So now don't say I did holiday. So now I say make I can see thank everybody. Those when they write me, those when they write good comment, and those when they say yes, they see they watch me, they call. God will bless all of you. Una do well as una they is supporting me. God will bless una home. So I see them my holiday, my people. So I know say many people don't go work, yes. So I say make I just thank everybody. May God bless una home. Una do well as una they follow, as una they share and like. God will bless una. And you see those when we say yes. Those when they come my DM, come they write waiting and don't know. For me, happiness is free. You know, if you tell somebody make you know they happy. Except you know they happy. And the day when you say yes, you will carry drink, or you want to do birthday, or your person want to do birthday, you want happy. Come and go visit you. Yeah. You know if you come my DM, come they say, wait till be this one. When we say, I don't use your phone, I don't use your mama phone, and I don't use your own phone. Tell they happy. Una go they happy, una don't want to make others happy. Now women they kill women. Wait till women do women. Eh? Wait till they worry now. You just be so now no go sit down on article on life for this 12 o'clock life. Now you'll get chance come they type nonsense for people. You don't get what they do for your house. Your mama not the house. You know they take care of your mother. Your mama don't eat finish. You don't bath your mama finish. When I will see some people when they will bring their mama come out, it will be like a etefekwe. All the back of the leg, all of them go tear with their up and down when they go wear. Look me, oh. Just look me, wanna look me. No be person carry me come. My family not be there bring me come. Bring me come Europe. Okay? So I get the right to enjoy myself. If you know say that problem for you, you feel go kill yourself. If you know say you don't want to see me, you can hang yourself for all what I care. Happiness is free. You know if you call somebody there, come the right nonsense, say why you they happy. When you know say you they do party, you they happy, you they jolly. What you they jolly for? How much you win? How much there your account when you say yes, you they jolly for? Now let person when they get money, now they jolly. Who not get not they jolly? All the poor people therefore don't kill the finish for this war. If not only rich people go they happy. When I don't let God punish you now. That one how one take the type nonsense, eh? After or alawire. Now they see what they happen for the war. Okay? More amount of business. All this one comments when I go there. If you not get happiness, that will not be my problem. If your mama not get happiness, that will not be my problem. This is my life. I live the way that is. I live my life the way I like them. You can't stop me not to happy. No be you go stop me and not be your friends or not be anybody. You feel pass anywhere, right? Me, I don't care. This is my happiness. I'll go tell you to make you not happy for your house. I'll go tell you to make you not eat for your house. No, just they don't know what you want to do. If you not hate somebody, won't a person. Not be by force to commit. Not be by force to follow person. Not be by force to do what they call a monitor spirit to follow person. Now call the right nonsense. That hand wanna take the right, eh? After what my low were born in una way no fit say yes, na no fit take off na mama for house. Why take back you wa? If you wa, I say, as I told before, I see some late they go bring their mama. All this one they don't insult people, mama. They don't insult people. People finish. They go bring their mama come out. They ballet. Yo saro you eh? Go come type up and down. Go they go uselu. The other one go they go I don't know where they go walk about. Now come out when they insult people. When we say yes, when they Ghana finish. When we say yes, struggle for family, struggle for children. If I be your mama, you go, oh yeah, mom will get you away. You go thank God, say, oh, this kind of mama when he born me, I so much love this kind of mother. Yes, so. Ije no ene gbehin. Ije no ma ga o ame gbomo. Ije no ma we no ma gi omo arigbe no ya gbigbi agiare. Ije no we no omo we me total yowa enu gwalo ya ri enu. Ije ni mehin. So don't use your mark compare me. No use your family to compare me. No yourself, you can't even use yourself to compare me. Because many of you for this Europe, a blabber go by side mirror. Many of you for this Europe, how many years were married your time I went to Wabowa? Many of you for this Europe, you never even feel carry one person come for a family. Look me, you know how many people when I don't carry without. I don't ask the couple. Wama all of you when they come my dear on the right. If I don't feel do what I do, I feel the right. Yes, so. Only one person carry thousands of people. You will come out, they talk nonsense for me. When you say you never even carry one person for your family. You never even carry your mama. Most more what do money you will feel buy gold for your mother. Buy better gold. They got back Who de a gold you nega can you? Shere were my for second hand wire dele. I will go with your one I go they give una mama for Africa. They will put her for there, they'll be like say now goat when they carry go sell for New Benin. Now first they talk to me. Mele gallant mama. If I be your mother, you go they happy. Wa borrow. Wo hona. He salo boy be you na biere. Yes, so the responsible mother him. If you don't make you make bomb him. I understand, yes. There you no where. Yam agbo yan we me yam me we they say because out of jealous now they think they do what they do. I know they worry. Okay. Me, I know the way I take stand for my children. Now my children not be one I go ask them whether or not they carry me on Europe. No. Or go ask my brothers, I will give you more I go ask all of them where they did. Many of them they don't know. Why are there? Nobody. Nobody. So you can't call my DNA and make you call the right nonsense. Because you when you day Europe, I never see person when you carry come. I never see how many people when you don't have for your life. So I know they proud for waiting I all the things when I do. I get very happy. And if I get that thing again, I will do more and more. Okay? So if you don't want to see my video, I don't say make you look me. Pass me, yes. Not be do or die, you must look me. Why I my way up begging every new way. If they ballow and be ze like pepper, you know? You pass me. Overtake is allowed. Yes. Pass. But not come my DNA on the right nonsense. If not, I will fire you, fire your generation. Okay? Una we be say yes, wa mighty kwe ikianoru wa o wa now come they insult people. Because waiting people don't do not fit do. When people see people they do you go they pepper una. Because many of una dey for this Europe on a day when be so now carry on a phone and go they type with una no know. Una ma there for Africa. All one packet even if you even give your man €50, you say your man sit down there. Come, if I give mama money, anywhere where mama want wakari, she wakari. Yes, mama get freedom. I not do now. We go give una mama 50. Now give una mama 50 euro. Now so me una mama go get they call her slippers. Oh yeah, you go. Udi agbe you awowa. I dey see many people when we say yes, they don't even take care of their mother. Why we go agbe comment in me? Wait till your man of it do for you. If I be your mother, you go happy. What will get you away? Yes, so now mama when you understand, mama when you know swaggeration mama. Where yako? Magbuwa. Wa Michael wama wada. Why ti your boy electric? Mona do electric, mona die. Where we like wo because that you see say people when be say things they happen to. You'll be ya say me and because you know what cost person when you not cost you because say you shall be right. Me I know they do. I always love people. I know say everybody must not love you. Yes now. Hello. Everybody they know what just say they love you. That one are basic. Not be everybody love Jesus when they go sell and when they kill him. So I don't go see they pretend to make everybody still love me. Yes. But what one are the man of business? No say you they happy, make me not happy. Where the right put. You go they happy, make me not happy. I don't understand. This is my exercise when I see they do, I see they dance. If you do good, they will talk. If you don't do good, they will talk. They are when they know corner and she walk. You are both fear kule luwa wagmo. You are both fear kule luwa. Esuzala ni meje na oe simuwa. Wagbe o. All of the way they write. If agajo wanya, why me ba eh? Agajo kuba why me go dey no work why beg la why be Nigeria. Now so that they beg your wife one day, your mama one day. Now no get food to eat, now no get. Me no rewe now call still they talk. Eh? When we say your mama, so one killer for Nigeria. They run, they follow tuke driver like say na she be agbero. For years, everything get its time. Yes. Now Europe, anywhere, part of the world, they get their time. About fear kuleluwa, wa agbero. Now just sit down. If you don't know what you want right, wanna keep on a finger. Because that finger wanna take the type nonsense. Una see as atowo. Na never atowo na lawa bonire. Why ekpo no be village people they do now. Come and they exist. Person when not do you go they do one. 100 years not forever. And they warn una when they call my DNA say una want right, una sabi right. Wa my ye mo do wa say ya ha say enu wa gbene ye commentere. One yes, not be everything that they do comment. Because I know they comment for a video. If I see any video when I like, I feel comment, I will put like. If I don't like our person, not be by force I must comment, yes. Una will call my dear, una call the comment nonsense. Happiness is free. If I do exercise, how many people I'll feel block? But one thing when I will tell una say yes. All of una when they comment bad comment. Now what you do to me, now they will do to you. If they don't do unto you, they will do unto your children. Now come and I do not portion. Yes, so. Now come and do not portion. God don't say me person not they happy. As far as I know insult you. Now my dance, over maybe echo. Now my dance, I see they dance. Now my exercise, I see they do now. Yeah, because I day and I never do exercise. Now my exercise, I see they do. You can't comment nonsense like. Later you will go they dance, they do party, they dance like. Are you okay? You dey okay, madam? You dey okay? Many of them when they write nonsense, man, they okay. The day I tell you, the day when I will carry, when I will do party, when I will carry drink, say yes, I want to do party. Yes, you want to happy. That day will be a sorrow for you. It will be a sorrow for your generation and your children. Yes, because since you don't want to make other people happy, now only you want happy. Carry the happy, they go. My happy, me I go happy. No be you can't stop me. I'm unstoppable. You know if you stop my happiness, and they continue the happy. I get and not get tomorrow is another day. I go happy. No be you go. You can walk be like me. More go way. People when be say ne blah boy and ne blah boy be inside mirror. Una don't frustrate finish now. Another person when they happen, I not like and I just hey, what did they do old woman? Yes, now old woman not they happy. You know go old. You go die for youngie, make you die for young age. Me I go old pass this one on my people. When I see my grandchildren, they're not their house now. They school. Suppose they day now. They come, they follow me, they play. They follow me, they do video. Yes. Now waiting everybody they pray for. As it be so, now they pray for that thing. Now they call everybody old. When I know go see old. Why they hear my way to why we here? Because when I get mad, when I sabi right, when I sabi do. Because other people you know get right to take happy. You don't get right to take do other thing. Say if you do exercise in a problem. If you do this one a problem, why? Now on our leg they take they do ugma wa why ti exercise. Ye man why go vun why ko. Izen why go vun why ko. Wetin come concern agbe with overload. E concern me with una. Now my why they do. Now say I know the want my man, but you not find me. And if you find me, every year if you no lele me ajaguna, you have to check you where. They will check you out. Not be saying I boast. Because I know say yes, I not find you. Now you can't find me for where I see that. Because I argue why I me on one way me. Because you not like better thing. Bewa score now na be. All these ladies, I don't know whether they be lady, whether they be male, I don't know. So me they see this side though. You be so why we run everything they be my was on. So me as you see they so So me when they tell you for you agbe you get one when they can't write nonsense that I go look a profile. I look at you when they do so when you say yes, you inside your house, go won't kill you. What you they write? Your mama the house. Well, me 20,000 you give you when you like more get ye. I mean I don't be like that too. Look me where, look me. Like I come in my glass. I they always show you. This is my face. Magbuwa wa warrior. No mama no here when I fear you igbe. Mona go take off na mama for house. Mona leave other mother alone. Ima kuru no subuwa rokpokpa. Na my own. Happiness is free. Wear the right hand for Facebook or for anywhere or for Bible say make you know they happy. Anytime when you they happy na crying for people. Where the right hand put. So as it be so na no wama on waya begi me. Una feel why feel ya feel say ya oh. Okay? That one way can they write any way that I go look in profile, look everything. They do shoro for somewhere. They shoro agbewa. Even the house when they sleep safe. You know some boys when they not be all. Uniro ya eya laiwo. If you are the wabe win and they gbenu sa bo ave deba. Ya yokpa wo mani ajeva wo mani. Ya ni wadi e wona ni no wado gwale mi ya weje se mi ado gwalo we bona. Emi ya mani. Everything go good for them. Mabe ya ni o wani. Ya ni o wani gbe ma honey. Na then I go come. Na then I go they see say they go they come out like say tomorrow no day. Na they come they comment here comment. Na me I dey talk so. Eh woni ro ni pe agbe sa mi ro ne. Ya frustrating na ya mai mi ya we dagbe ya yawo. So me they want be say equal we gbin aside mirror. Ko wa we gbin aside mirror yan o wa. If you go look, you get one when they talk that day. He say heater for house he not get. I mean, you go buy this thing the way that they call them gas. I mean, I feel like gas in renewable. Like seriously. Renewable. But here we do agbe comment it and email. Me lo ye heater ya bi. Phew. Ma agbuwa. Ya where how they think they talking for Benin? I don't know how they think they talking for Benin, but make I leave the parable, okay? So, una way they write nonsense. Una see they wait for na woto. Because it depends when you write. You know go expect and make it quiet. If it quiet for you, maybe no one answer you. Yes, me I did one. A lot when I know the answer. But this one, so make I say answer them. Because sometimes you see they tell them say yes, you know be fool. If you see some comment, just ignore them or you block them. But how many you want block? But I will tell them say yes. Ununa, awari no one I go. Go hide for other comments. They write, they use their fake account. Now so your life go they fake. Your children life go they fake. You know concern me. Because now you can't find me, not be me can't find you, mother, brother. Anybody when you be say yes, no self. When I write back comment for that my video when I do. Not so God will still write back comment for our life, bad comment for our children life, because I know they find people. So now be that one. in no more him. Okay, but bad comment. I don't want to drag that person. I want to bring the person spirit down. I know if you bring me down, I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. Wow, whatever. My boyfriend could do what every no man, as your one, and every no man, you're so boy, you say family. Me I see good thing, and they always say, this is fine. I will comment, or I will like, I will put love, I will put laugh. Oh, why you video? I will sad people. They just see, yeah, okay, I am me. Wait till this. If you know they dance, now me say make you not dance. Now me say make you dey sad. If you dey sad, now your problem now. If you dey sad, now your problem. Don't be my problem. Me, I dey happy. Happiness is free. Yes. Me, I dey happy. As you can see, now I dey happy, my people. Always happy. Happy mama. Babere, why we want ananya? I want my go away ya begi. Wait till I feel say ya. Oh yes. We have to say ya. You can. I'm unstoppable. Me. Now when they see me back. See, back. Wag bell. I will point. About fear kun le lowa. Why men waye? O ha gu wa mo camera da gbo. E camera wa mo da gbo wa ye ene tefie. One if na no make up why mo camera. See me. I know they make up. Me one they call it the day. See the day o. Tu no poligi dan. See me. Why we about fear kun le lowa. Those when just they talk, wanna leave them make they talk. Me I no want answer anybody. I know they answer you because me, I don't care. Because you know why? I get my life to live. After months, when you say yes, you don't bring all the family up. You don't do everything for family. All your family, all of them, they here. What do they expect? Okay, no one we told Tanwa, okay, where did they webo? Yeah, how did they call it? I don't know how they call that Bini. Like, when person don't suffer for life, you don't suffer for people. You don't make way. God don't help you make way for many people when you help. It's time for you to enjoy. They remember, they don't remember. Try to make yourself happy. Of course, because of one person they insult me for Facebook, or one person they say, that's why I do one, that's why I talk this one. I'll come because of a point. Hello? I'm not one. This is me. I enjoy myself, no time. I know because of you say I not go happy again because say you can't insult me for you, because say you can't say I be this, because me you see me like person when they care. If me I carry myself go Europe, not be papa carry me come. Now me come stand for the whole family. What you want tell me when you go be hello my brother or my sister. You feel write anything when you want write. Me, my name na Ekwe Momo. I Eki. Now be my own. That be my name, my second name. Ekwe Momo. Me, Ekwe Mimeo. Oh, how what dog man about bidi? Me ma worry. Yeah, we didn't have if I don't want to give you, I'll just look and write you, block you. That's why they do. Because sometimes you go ignore them because they don't even know what they write. Frustration one kid day. Not be everybody when they follow you laugh. Not be get happiness. Some people they want their husband they lace for his house. Because your husband not the lace you. I did free. So now me see this was so I enjoy myself. So Mona happy with yourself, no time. Mona not let anybody bring you down. Yes. Because when you don't suffer for this life, you need to enjoy yourself. Well, you come because of one person, you can say, I like it. I call your life. When I come to look you. Alright. You never sabi anything. Tantata. A point. Hey, mama. Come and say hi. Oh yeah, say hi to them. Say hi. Hello. Hi. So you can see my fine granddaughter. She just come from school, so now see now just they talk anyhow, they write anyhow. Now they say like me person no one answer, not be saying no one answer. Hey, papa. I don't understand. So, Mona know what you they right. Not where you have you abo. once. And because I know the house, suppose I dey house, you have a view no one. Because I'm a robbie white, be up one. And they see all the thing where they happen. Why do you go wale? No, what? No, na they hide on herself. They hide on her finger. No.
Little, go to grandma and say hi.
Mona view bo wale. Oh, what view wala ja wa yes. Kuna de school wo wa do tell ni be wa yan. I want wa do gbe ni wa en ni. Amara biti ni wa gbe ni. Wa ri oko ri wu babola wa gbe.